Software quality management is a management process that aims to develop and manage the quality of software in such ways so as to ensure the product meets the quality standards. During the software development, errors may occur, even though the software testing tools are of the highest quality. To meet users' needs, preventing these errors from product at an earlier stage is of critical importance. To learn more about software quality management, we are going to look closer of a research paper called Improving Software Quality Management, Testing, Review, Inspection, and Walkthrough. This paper written by Al Hussein Osaid and Anwar Bilkrami from the Deanship of Scientific Research, King Abdul Aziz University, Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. This paper discusses the approach to enhance software quality through various phases of product testing such as review, inspection, and walkthrough. Let we see each one of them. First, review. Management review is also known as software quality assurance or SQA. It focuses more on the software process rather than the software work products. Quality assurance is a set of activities that are designed to ensure that the project manager follows the standard process which is already predefined. In other words, quality assurance makes sure that the test manager is doing the right things in the right way. As wrote in this paper, review is producer and other individual inspect the work product for defects. The objective of review is to detect any defect on the outcome of each software development lifecycle phase. Review can be formal or informal. Formal reviews. Formal reviews usually conduct at the end of each phase in software development lifecycle. Unlike informal reviews, it has formal agenda and structured schedule. The date and time for performing formal review is also addressed in the project plan. Resources must be well ordered and planned in the formal review. For example, a review of software requirements. Informal reviews. Informal reviews is a process in which software tester requests a software team member to check the work product of each phase in software development. It can be carried out anytime if necessary. This type of review is done without a formal agenda or specific timetable. The date and time of any informal review process will not be concerned within project plan. The material of informal review may be as informal as a computer listing or handwritten documentation. Next, the writer considered walkthrough as a form of software peer review in which work product is examined by the author of work product along with one or more colleagues to evaluate technical part of software product. In a walkthrough, the author leads member of the review through a work product and the member asks questions and make comments about possible issues. The main purpose of the event is to define facts, improve the product, consider alternative implementation, evaluate conformance to a standard or specification. It can also facilitate the exchange of ideas, training the participant, or achieving consensus. A walkthrough can vary from very formal to informal, but during a walkthrough, we must have review meeting, script for review meeting, and we may have individual preparation before the meeting, use checklists, use potential defect log and reports, prevent it as a scenario, dry runs, or simulation. Next, the writer mentioned audit or inspection as the most effective technique for software peer review. Inspection is independent examination of a work product, process, or set of process that is performed by a third party to assess compliance with specification, standard, contractual agreement, or other criteria. It's aimed to find defect and problem mostly in documents such as requirements, specification, test plan, test cases, and coding. Another benefit of using inspection review is to find problem in each phase of software development and report this problem without fixing them. Inspection team are consist of moderator, author, reader, inspector, and recorder. Each one has a different responsibility. A formal inspection also consists of various activities. This includes planning, overview, preparation, inspection, meeting, rework, and follow-up. In planning activities, The inspection team is selected and material to be inspected are confirmed. The second step is an overview meeting wherein an author is given the opportunity to educate the inspection team about what is to be inspected. In the preparation step, the author allocates each participant responsibility for examining the work artifact prior to the inspection meeting. Identifying and classifying defect occurs during inspection meeting. The entire inspection group should agree on this defect. Once the defects are identified and classified, the rework process begins. In this process, the author is responsible for solving the defects discovered in the work product artifact. The final step in the inspection process is follow-up process, wherein the moderator or the entire team verifies that all defects are removed, problem overcome, and no more fixes remain. After conducting the follow-up process, the inspection process is complete. Inspection is an important process in software product development as it guarantees high quality of software. In conclusion, the writer said that review technique can be more effective than testing technique because it can find defect earlier than testing in software development cycle. Therefore, the review technique significantly affect the cost, quality, development time of software since they can be done earlier in the software development lifecycle. Thank you. That's all for me, Nur Auda binti Ismail, presented to Dr. Juliana binti Jafar.